Alright, it's about 0 degrees Celsius. We're out here in the woods and this is going to be one single take. Let's see how long the DJI Neo 2 battery here really lasts in cold weather. Alright, quick setup before we take off. It's about 0 degrees Celsius. I'm using the DJI Neo Intelligence flight battery here with a capacity of 1606 milliampere hours. The battery is at 100% and not artificially warmed. DJI officially claims up to 19 minutes of flight time, but most real world tests come in closer to around 15 minutes. And today with these temperatures, we will see what we can actually get out of the battery here. I'm flying in normal mode exactly like you would on a normal day, using the controller here with the digital transceiver mounted. This will be one continuous shot and I will push it to the limits until the battery is low, with a stopwatch running from the takeoff to the landing. The rest you will see during the flight. So let's take off. Alright, so the battery is full. You can see 4 LEDs. And now I will start the stopwatch here. And we are going straight up in the air. Let's take off.
Take off.
Alright, and as you can see here, we have 93% battery left. Alright, so we are 91%. I will keep this open. You can see we have around 12 minutes until battery depleted. So let's fly around and see how long it will last. And fly around a bit. Yeah, let's say I go a bit higher. This shot looks really cool. And then let's turn around. Also awesome. Let's fly a bit in this direction, a bit slower. And then I would say let's do a circle shot. So come here. I have to stop the recording now. And now we'll go to the quick shots modes and I will do a circle here. And then let's go back.
3, 2, 1.
So that's cool. Nice circle shot. Perfect. It's done. Let's go back and do maybe a rocket.
3,
Start
2,
30 meters.
1.
And here it goes. All right. Now it stopped recording and it will return. Let's see. We still have between 4.5 and 7 minutes on the battery here. Let's do a cinematic shot here. That's really cool. Let's get back to the video mode so I can record here. It says still low visibility because of the fog, but it's fine. We don't have to push it to its limits. Here it comes. It's nice. And here you can see the drone here. I think this looks really cool. Go up. All right, so, but hovering is not the test, so let's go again here. maybe we should do another cool shot. Pause the recording again. I will go to my quick shots. I will go to cycle again, and then I will focus, let's see, on this tree.
3, 2, 1.
As you can see, the weather conditions are not the best, so we have here a lot of fog, but it still tries to circle here around this tree.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return
Let's
to the
click
home point
cancel
in
here.
10
The battery
seconds.
level is low, as you can see here. So until return to home, it's just 10 seconds, but I think we can do one on another shot because it's not that far away. And we still have 26% left. So when you're out far away, I would return it now to home, but not at that point because it's very close to me and I can push it a bit more. Yeah. So as you can see here, 1 minute 50 is left until battery departed. So the cycle shot is done, but you can still hear the drone very well and it beeps.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
There is the low battery warning, so let's go down here. So we have 16%, so it's already close to my position here, so you can see me, so no worries. And I would say okay, now the battery is low, so I would say also the controller is beeping here very loudly. So I would say let's get it back. I will confirm that it will
Critically
go
low
down
battery
in the current
warning.
position. So as you can see, it goes down now.
Critically low
And
battery warning.
basically that's it. And let's go back to the stopwatch and stop. And as you can see here and on the screen record, it took me 11 minutes and the battery was drained. Okay, so that's the result. Compared to ideal conditions, you're clearly losing some flight time. But if you plan your flights, keep them shorter and don't push the battery too low. And keep in mind, the Neo 2 is designed mainly for AI tracking and follow me scenarios, not for long endurance flights. If one battery isn't enough, the Fly More combo is worth a look, since you get 3 batteries in total here, and a charger can handle 3 at the same time. Okay, that's it for this real world battery test. If you want to see more DJI Neo real world tests, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.